Hi guys, welcome back to Adventures with Tete. I hope you guys been having a beautiful week. Today we'll be baking Liberian rice bread. Well, let's just dive into the video. First, you will need two different types of ingredients. You will need a wet ingredient and a dry ingredient. For the dry ingredient, you will need cream of rice. But if you don't have cream of rice, you will need cream of wheat, 1 cup of cream of wheat. Salt, baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, ginger, and sugar. For the wet ingredient, you will need egg, milk. By the way, you can absolutely use any type of milk. You will need banana, vanilla, and oil. Let's get into the measurement. You will need 1/2 cup of sugar. You will need 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You're going to mix everything together. Now you add the cream of rice. Now since all the dry ingredients are put together, you just continue mixing it. Put it aside, and we start with the wet ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. You just crack your egg and mix it together. Mix the egg and the vanilla. Put it aside. You have your oil. Pour your oil aside. Now you need your food processor. We're going to put all the wet ingredients with the banana. You can also use a blender if you don't have a food processor. So now we have the banana in the food processor. This is about 6 to 7 banana. You're going to pour in your milk, which is 1.5 cup of milk. You're going to put it in the banana. You're going to mix the banana and the milk together. When it's finely mixed, you're going to pour in the oil. And the egg and the vanilla into it. You're going to make sure and mix everything. Now it's time to mix the wet ingredient and the dry ingredient together. You're going to pour in the wet ingredient into the dry ingredient. Mix it all together well. Well, to the final part, don't forget to spray your baking sheet. After you put everything into your baking sheet, you're going to be baking it on 350 for 1 hour. We'll be right back to show you the finished product. Well, this is the final product for the Liberian rice bread. This is how your rice bread is supposed to look like. Not burnt, but gold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, have a beautiful and blessed week, and see you next week with Adventures with Tete.